Hey guys, it's Lolo here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the HP Thin Client, a desktop computer for workspaces. This is what my mom will be using for her work, so let's unbox it. I'm going to make sure we get all the edges here. Now let's open it. And there is the desktop computer. Packaged neatly. Let's set this aside for now. We have our cables. We have our VJ cable. Of course, my mom will be using this for her work. And we have this headphone. And we have this power cable. And we have the keyboard and mouse. Oh my goodness, this keyboard looks very nice. So I'll set the computer up, and once I'm done, I'll be back. Now that I got everything plugged in, let's power it on. It says no touch OS. And there we have it. This is my video of unboxing and setting up the HP Thin Client for my mom's work. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Have an awesome day. Bye.